is Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. And I'm just in a really good mood today, y'all. Yesterday, I started going to the gym for like the first time ever, and I did not realize how great it was going to make me feel. I was so nervous I was going to wake up like all sore and stuff, but with my fibromyalgia pain, like I feel better than I have felt in a very long time. So that's great. Very awesome. And I have also started, along with that, Juice Plus, and I am now selling it as well. In just one day of taking the vegetable capsules, the fruit, and the berry capsules, like I just feel better inside, you know what I mean? Like I don't feel all and sluggish or as sluggish today. I know over time it'll get better. I'm loving it. Very excited about this journey. I want to feel better. I want to be more active. I don't want to hurt as much. I want to lose some weight. And I'm very excited. But today's video is about my top 5 favorite drugstore concealers. And I'm very excited about this because I love concealer because I don't get to sleep much because of my fibromyalgia insomnia. So I'm always having dark circles that need to be covered up. But I also get really dry underneath my eyes, so. But first off, one of my top 5 favorite is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And in this one, I use the shade 5. And it's 5 Ivory. And it's an oldie. You know, it's been around, but it is amazing. It has amazing coverage. It's easy to blend out. It's awesome. If you have not tried it yet, you need to. Next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And this one is, 840B Light Ivory. And it has a really good coverage. It looks really pretty. It doesn't, you know, cake up underneath my eyes or crease or anything like that. I really enjoy it. Oh, and Maybelline. I have had some people commenting saying, oh, well, that's not cruelty free. You know, they used to not be. But if you get on their website and look, they do state that they are no longer not cruelty free. They are. So that was really awesome. I checked into that not too long ago. Another one is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This gives a very nice coverage. It blends out really well. Now for me, this is just for me, this one does get a little dry. But what I do is I go in with a face oil. I put a little bit on a Q-tip and I dab it underneath my eyes. If I know I'm going to be using a concealer that's a little drying, I put it under my foundation and it solves the problem. It works really good. The next one is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and of course it's dark circle eraser, so it gets the job done. And it's really good to also use as the eye primer, which I always use concealers as eye primers unless I do my eyes first. Then every once in a while I'll go in with a eye primer. But this blends so amazing. It's very creamy, so it doesn't, you know, look dry. I don't get that dry feeling underneath my eyes. I absolutely love it. Now, next is the Makeup Revolution. They're changing their name or whatever to Revolution Makeup, but I'm loving this. It's the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and it is amazing, y'all. Like, it's apparently a dupe for Shape Tape, but I don't feel like this is as drying as Shape Tape. But it's got, you know, that big applicator as well. And it's just an amazing concealer. It blends out awesome. It has, you know, good coverage. I absolutely love this concealer. And that is it for today's video. You know, these videos are kind of short, but hey, you know, and I've thought about combining doing the drugstore and the high-end all in the same day, but I like giving them their own time because they're all precious. But if y'all would like for me to start doing, you know, my high-end and drugstore top 5 favorites all in one video, then let me know. I would be happy to. I just want to give y'all what y'all want. And make sure you're subscribed. And now I'm going to go wash my makeup off so I can go back to the gym. Yes, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. Anyways, so I will see y'all in my next video. And I hope y'all are all having a great day, great night, whatever it may be whenever I upload this. Toodles.